Good morning, everybody. We are in the shop today. I have ripped all the guards off. Anything that had a crack or like I stuffed up here. I was trying to like use the fishing wire and really dig in, and I was digging the wrong way. I should have anyway, long story short, scratched the boot. Front guard had a crack in it, and the front plastic guard had a crack in it too. So my good mate 3 Rocks is going to hook us up with a solid deal, get all the fiberglassing done, the plastic welding, make it all pretty, because obviously this thing is getting stripped down because it's getting a full wrap. Something similar to what Fausto and Messmer have got, but you'll have to wait and see. So obviously this thing performed flawlessly. It was freaking amazing over the Ebisu weekend. It was just, yeah, couldn't ask for a better freaking car, to be honest. And for those that didn't know, we're using these big freaking Salem semi-slicks, thanks to Fausto hooking us up with a solid deal. 285/35/19. They were freaking hoosing them, but the car's never been that fast. It was so cool. So freaking cool. We had a bit of a problem with the turbo intake temps, so I could only run low boost. It was just overspinning the heck out of the turbo. I think it's too small for this application just because of the RPM I do. Actually, I know it's too small because that's the biggest. The number one problem with a small turbo on an engine that makes a lot of exhaust gases is the intake temps go through the roof. It can also be a lot of other things, but with our experience with Cheer and Power Tune, the rear housing's too small. So the other option now is to go get my old turbo from Aussie, or get it shipped over, or Turbo Smart have a different rear housing they want me to try. However, it's a bit of a process to get the cars tuned here. It's like 4-hour drive one way and back. Got to hire a truck, got to hire the dyno, got to figure out, a time when Cheer can tune it. So it's a very expensive day for it to not go correctly. So I'm gonna pull the trigger there and make one call. Don't know what that's going to be just yet, but I need to make a move on that. Anyway, today's video is about a parcel that arrived with windows in it. So these are from a company called Plastic Performance, maybe? I can't remember. I found them online, bought them. It's freaking expensive. So let's see if they fit. They're for this car, but obviously I have custom freaking doors. So I've got to pull these off. This is what my mate Dan Pryor made. He's a sheet metaler. So I'll pull these off and see if these fit. Let's do it. Oh, you would not believe the pain of my brain to get these fitted. Anyway, got them done. Wow, this side's done, the other side. It's all done-ish, but that is how it sits. Obviously it's a little bit flappy at the moment, but I'm going to put some rubbers in there. I'm going to get the OEM door trim seal thing, and it should put enough weight on it to sort of suck it in. I don't have any of the seals factory, so I'm just going to put some like pinch welder on here. That pinch rubber stuff. Should be all right. But there you go. Oh, actually, I can show you. Fausto's been mounting up all his rubber for this weekend because it's been a few days, guys, but we are heading to Suzuka Twin, and I'm very excited about it. And you need windows, I think. I needed them anyway for FD, but yeah, pretty sure I need them. So it's freezing cold here in Japan. I'm getting sick too, but it's all right. So this is the bracket that I made. It's very ghetto, but it works. The windows come with this support bracket, so it doesn't bend the window or whatever. It's meant to be OEM fit up, but it's definitely not. So, I don't have all the OEM stuff. So I drilled some holes in the front for this bracket. So this bracket goes the whole way through, and then I just mount this bracket to the door. So there's no mounting points to the actual perspex, if that makes sense. It made sense in my head. We'll see how long it lasts. But these were very expensive windows. I should have just got cheap ones, but anyway, here's what it is. I'll get them in and then show you the after, because I've got to change where the lever is, and I like to open the door now. But anyway, we'll cut to that.
A few moments later.
Oh, the joys of being a drifter. So, windows are done, people. So I'll just do a quick maintenance check. Our classic winters, 2 bolts this side missing, stripped, threads stuck inside this side. And at the top there, there's 1 bolt left hanging in. The other one snapped as well. I did check these just before Matsuri. There you go. Ever was rough on the gear. And yeah, now I've got to try and rip the diff out. You can't get these bolts in Japan. So yeah, we're leaving tonight. Yay!
The next day.
Good morning! Bom dia! Good morning, guys. It is literally snowing right now, and we are all loaded up, ready to rock. So Fausto's put his car in the big truck this trip. It's actually sick. So you open like the side doors. Anyway, it's really, really cool. RBM3 is ready to rock. Obviously, it's got a new look, making the guards stand out more than I'd like it to, but I couldn't get the new wrap done in time, so had to match the new panels with the old ones. Thanks again to 3 Rocks Monkey Garage for getting that all done and painted. Looks freaking killer once again. Best it's looked since obviously Casey painted it the very first time. And Casey was my OG painter back in Barossa Valley. His paint job has been killer. Like, this thing has been through hell and back, and it's, yeah, looking mint still. Besides obviously where I blew the tyre out and lost bars and whatever else. But we are on our way now, so we got a pretty decent drive. We're leaving a couple days early because we got some meetings while we're down there, which is very exciting. You'll see where we're heading in a minute. Obviously probably in the next video, but yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna know well in advance what we're up to. But yeah, Suzuka Twin, we're heading there now. Nice long road trip. It's so cold I can't even speak. I got like a bit of a sickness, but we'll be right. We're going drifting. It's all the curing we need. And how good? Windows now. No more water inside. Just sort of seal the bits up like Fausto does. He knows what he's doing. Anyway, time to boogie. Let's go. Hey, bro.
You remember a few videos ago was you?
Fausto's done his back.
No, I can only even breathe.
It's exactly the same. It's like a nerve, pinching a nerve, and like.
I think it's worse. I was even regretting to go to sleep today in the morning.
You poor dude.
I have to lay down in bed through my socks like a baby. Wasn't great. It's okay.
How are you gonna go driving? Not a bitch like me.
I'm just gonna stay inside the car. Hello, hello. What happened? I just came off. I'm gonna train you for 6 hours.
You'll be right.
It's okay. Painkillers.
How long's the first bit of this road trip?
Just 6 hours.
Oh, 6. Alright, let's hit it.
Let's go.
This bloke's trying to catch a shark. I like your style. Well played. Well, Fausto, he knows how to keep me happy. We just stopped. And look what there is. Family Mart. The best coffee. It's not great coffee, but it's the best you can get. Well, in Japan anyway. Well, on the road, I should say. Let's get a freaking coffee. It's different. It's definitely different. Work wheels. I don't even know what it is. What's a Jeep? What the hell? I've never seen one in my life. Anyway, back on the road. Holy crap, there's an ocean there. For sure I've never come this way before. For sure. I didn't think we were meant to be going this way. Anyway. So while travelling across Japan seems very glamorous,
check out the price of a single toll. Oh, no, it's not liking this. Oh. Idiot. $136. Nice. That's just one toll. What the heck? Jesus. Where are we, Fausto?
Lbwk.
Hey, what town?
Nagoya. So here is the kind of the main shop, and the other side is just display for cool cars. You have restaurant, you have the merchandise shop, and we have a secret place also we go after. That's only invite people allowed to go there.
Oh.
And even if you don't invite, we go there. Sweet.